Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little different than normal. Instead of leggings, we're actually reviewing a ring light. I know a lot of you guys ask me like tips for starting a YouTube channel. A lot of people in the fitness community on Instagram with me are always asking about this as well because everyone's like always wanting to start one but not knowing where to start. And having good equipment is so important to starting your YouTube channel so your videos can be nice and high quality. And as you may know, I've done a review of a Zomei ring light before. That's the main ring light I use, and I think the company is so nice. They're on Amazon. They're actually really affordable for ring lights. And for people starting YouTube, I wanted to review this little like tabletop ring light. It's just the perfect little cute size. Honestly, you could use this for like traveling. It's just a very portable, manageable size. My current ring light is like huge and I'm like wondering how I'm gonna take it home because I'm moving in a few weeks, but we'll figure it out because I need this thing. In terms of filming videos of just like talking, I think that this ring light is perfect. I also am giving one of these away and I have a discount code. The discount is Kathryn10. And of course, the link to this will be down below. So this is a 10-inch tabletop ring light. It just has this little stand that you like put on a table or something or a desk. It's also super affordable. It's only $45.99, which is a great price for such an investment piece like a ring light. Also, in terms of how you assemble it, I didn't even read the instructions. It was super easy. So you have this base and you just like literally twist it onto this. And then you also twist this piece onto this, which is also just super easy. And the base is also like bendable, so you can get like all those angles, you know what I'm saying? Gotta get the perfect angles. And I personally would use this attachment. How you insert the attachments in, they have like a little notch in the back and you just kind of like slip the little attachment into the notch and then righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, turn it to the right just to tighten it up, and then it's totally secure. And then for this little knob, this is where you would attach a camera. My camera has like a little screw base at the bottom, so you can literally just screw it in right here. And this is also like movable, so I think it's locked. And you can also like adjust the angle of your camera with this. That's just this little knob on the side. So that's basically how you assemble the basic pieces. It's really easy. You like don't even need to read the manual. The right switch, you just turn on the light, and as you can see, it's like really like a smooth transition. And you can see it lights up my face real nice. And then you also have this other knob on the side to turn it from like a warm light. Let's see if you can see. So this is like the warmest it goes, which is kind of like a natural orange light. And then you can turn it to like a very cool white light depending on your preferences. I usually go with like somewhere in the middle. And I think that's such a cool feature of this light because my current ring light doesn't have that. So you don't even need to have good video editing software because the light like literally does the color adjusting for you. It also has a few other types of attachments you can use. If you are just starting YouTube, they have a phone adapter, so you can just literally film on your iPhone with this, and you just screw this into the like little ball attachment, and you can literally attach your phone and just film on your phone. Or, and this is one of my favorite things to do because I don't always have great lighting in places where I'm doing my makeup, but they have a mirror attachment, so you can literally mount a mirror in here and just do your makeup with the light. You don't even have to be filming to use it. I literally use this like just to put my makeup on, and it's great so you don't like miss any areas of your face because I mean everything's so well lit. So that's definitely one of my favorite features. I think that's so cool. They also have hanging holes on the back, so if you just want to use it for makeup and have it hanging in your bathroom with a mirror on it to make it super easy, I think that would be such a great idea. Also, that way you don't have to rely on the stand. If you are doing a video and you want to like stand up or something, you can just put it on a little hook on the wall and there you go. It also has a USB charging point, so you can either just plug it into the wall via like a USB adapter or just plug it into your computer or like a mobile power bank. So because this is so small, like if you want to take it somewhere and be mobile with it, you can do that because this can be plugged into really anything. And again, the base is movable, so it makes it really easy to get any angle you need. I just want to go through some of the ways I use this or ways I think that you could use this. So like I said, sometimes the lighting where I'm trying to do my makeup isn't great, and sometimes you don't want like a huge like light on you. But with this, you can dim the light so you just have a little bit of light on you, and with that mirror in the middle, you can literally perfectly do your makeup. It also has a magnifying side of the mirror. It's like a makeup mirror with a built-in light. Like, it's genius. You can also mount it to the wall of your bathroom, which like I might honestly do because it's like one of those hotel mirrors that has the light built in, you know, and that like swivels out. I think this would be great for filming beauty videos because you can get up close and personal. It's nice and small. Also just for filming talking videos if you don't want like a huge ring light. It's also great if you're starting YouTube and don't want to invest in a big ring light. This is only $45 and I also have a discount code. So yeah, now it's time for the giveaway. So the company did send this ring light to me, but my opinions are all honest. They also wanted to send a ring light to one of you guys as well. So you will have 2 weeks to enter the giveaway and the end date will be right here. There is only one winner and this is US only, unfortunately. So the conditions of the giveaway are: 1, you have to be a US resident, you have to be subscribed to this channel and like the video. You also need to be following Zomei Official, which is the company's Instagram, on Instagram. Also leave a comment down below with your Instagram handle so I can get a hold of you if you win. All of those details will be in the description below in case you want to check on anything. You also get bonus points if you follow me on Instagram, kathrynm_fit. So yeah, best of luck with the giveaway, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know a lot of you guys ask my filming setup and what equipment I use, and the Zomei ring lights are something I literally use for every video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to enter the giveaway down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!